The basics of affiliate marketing explained right here. The business of affiliate marketing doesn't only deal with one type of marketing. You will not always be earning a single commission from a single sell. Pay attention to this video and learn some of the finer points of becoming an affiliate, so that you can better succeed in this highly competitive marketplace. To make your internet marketing efforts more effective, avoid the hard sell. Make sure that every visitor to your website can find information and services to satisfy them without forcing them to pay. Web surfers are less tolerant to high-pressure sales tactics than any other potential customers. Giving them a little without asking for anything in return will build trust and positive impressions. Make sure to allow for time to work on your site, especially early on. All affiliate marketers have a goal of owning a work-free site, but getting there takes time. In the beginning, spend some time developing your graphics, updating your design, and doing some research. You'll see a better payoff in the end. To find your audience before you even mention your product, create a series of videos. Record a short video of yourself talking about a different topic every week, or about the same topic under different angles. Post them on a popular video hosting website. Once you have enough followers, do a video about the product you are selling. While using affiliate marketing, remember that you want internet users to trust in you. If you use an ad for a product or company that you don't have faith in, your customers will not have faith in it, or you, either. Too many ads, or ads that are not relevant to your content, will seem suspicious, and visitors will end up not trusting what you have to say. As you've just learned throughout this video, a lot of the tips and tactics of affiliate marketing are very easy to comprehend and are the same bits of wisdom regular business people have been using for decades. The difference, of course, is how you put this information into action. It's not enough to know, you have to show. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.